cried, written down the words to say, it is time, I've been waiting 5 days.
Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me in another extreme clean with me. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm doing an extreme deep cleaning of my living room, and let me tell you, it really needed it. When I moved my couch, I cannot wait to show you just the mess that was under it. So if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and let's get started.
The things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche.
So the first thing I'm going to be doing in the living room before I dive into the extreme deep cleaning is just kind of organizing everything, make sure everything is put away. That way I can wipe down end tables, coffee tables, entertainment centers, just getting the couch organized, because I do go in a little bit later and just shove pillows inside of the back cushions, trying to make them more fuller, but we'll talk more about that a little bit later because it is a hack that my mom taught me. Anyway, let's get into just the minimal cleaning right now, where I just clean up the floors, sweep up, and just get all the hay and everything off the floors, because my vacuum doesn't really have a strong enough suction to really accomplish this mess, unfortunately. So I love going in with the broom and just getting it all up.
What you do to me, I know you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So how have you guys been since we last talked in the comments of my last video? How is your spring going? How's the weather near you? Around my house recently, we've been having a ton of windstorms, and I almost lost my entire greenhouse to a windstorm. I had to literally go outside in the middle of the storm and tie it back down because all of the ropes came loose. There was dirt everywhere, flower pots. It was a mess, guys. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing spring, and I hope you guys are getting some deep cleaning done, because now is the time. Get those windows open and just enjoy the fresh air.
I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you, and all the things that you do. I'm so in love with you. It sounds so stupid now. What I am trying to do, what I am trying to do, what I am trying to do is say I love you.
Oh my god, let me tell you, when I damn near had a heart attack when I moved this couch, I could not believe the amount of hair and dust that was underneath it. And of course, Tulip had to get all up in there and just kind of sniff everything as if she didn't know it was under here. But I am going to go in and just get it all cleaned up, because I'm almost ashamed that this was under my couch. I'm sure everyone's couch looks like this, but I couldn't deal with it, guys. Let me know if you guys can relate, because I feel like this experience is gonna make me move my couch at least once a month at this point. Yeah, it was really messy.
Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Another thing that I discovered was extremely messy were my windows. Now, I washed these before winter, so I am really surprised at how dirty they got. And you can't even tell I washed them because the outside is so dirty, and there are windows on the outside that I can't actually open to get to the inside windows, especially this big one. The outside window does not come open for me to clean. And I was kind of grossed out because there was like dead spiders and spider webs, and it was just really gross and creepy, but I did the best I could to get in here and get all of this dust off. We are saving up to get new windows, so fingers crossed that happens sometime in the near future.
There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
So if you are tuning into my video for the first time, I so appreciate you guys for being here and joining me today. My name is Belle, and I am a mom of an 8-year-old girl. Her name is Shiloh. I also have 3 cats and 2 guinea pigs, and you'll see them pop into the video from time to time because my cats are just super nosy. Also, a little bit about me. I married my college sweetheart. I love gardening, and I cannot wait to share my journey and adventures with you all, so make sure you introduce yourselves down in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe and give these videos a thumbs up if you are enjoying yourselves and want to see more. I look forward to talking to you guys all in the comments.
If the Mona Lisa canvas ripped, I wouldn't care, 'cause I could picture you. If the Tower of Pisa finally tipped, well then you'd know how hard I fell for you.
So right now, I decided to upcycle my cushions because I didn't want to get rid of them. So what I did is I used old pillows that I was just going to throw away, and I shoved them in the cushions on the back of the couch. And it made them a lot firmer. It made it a little bit nicer looking because they were a lot firmer. But overall, I think the results came out. My mom suggested I do this. I was thinking I did cut them open and shove the fluff in there, but no, you shove the whole pillow in there and you fluff it, and it came out really nice. So I'm kind of surprised. But I'm really excited for this because my couch was a little deflated. And like I said, I am getting a new one in May. I believe it comes on the 25th unless it has some kind of COVID delays. But I cannot wait to share my new couch with you guys.
If every flower went extinct, my heart would still be blossoming for you. If the world stopped turning tomorrow, if it all fell into the sea, I'd let it sink to the bottom, 'cause I only care about one thing, you know. None of it matters as much as you matter to me. No, none of it matters as much as you matter to me. If everything changed, I say the same. Through any heartbreak, my love will remain. If the world stopped turning tomorrow, if it all fell into the sea, I'd let it sink to...
So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another extreme clean with me. This is part of my spring clean series where I am going from room to room, deep cleaning everything. So far I have done my kitchen, my dining room, and now my living room. Next, I believe I'm going to be doing the hallway and the bathroom, and let me tell you, that bathroom is a complete disaster. But anyway, I hope you guys were able to pull some motivation from today's video, and please make sure you leave it with a thumbs up down below to let me know that you liked it, and please consider subscribing. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. But with all that being said, I look forward to talking to you guys all in the comments and getting to know every single one of you. I hope you guys have a happy weekend and a happy holiday.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You